In this video, you'll learn how the Knowband PrestaShop Product Sticker and Label Add-on helps you make your store products more attractive and engaging. We'll explore its main features like adding custom stickers, creating display rules, setting positions, managing visibility dates, and previewing results in real time. You'll also see how to apply stickers to specific products or categories and highlight new arrivals, bestsellers, limited stock items, or special discounts, making your store more eye-catching and boosting sales easily. This is understanding video of product sticker and label module. So to install the same on the website of the store first, we have to click on Upload a Module button. When you will click on it, you will have a pop-up like this on your screen. You have to click on Select File option, where you will be redirected to the locals, where you have to choose your files and upload it here. So as soon as you choose a file, it will upload it here and you will find a Configure button on your screen. You have to click and it will redirect you to the general setting page of the store. By default, you will see that a module in a disabled state since you have freshly installed on your store. So to enable the same, you have to click on the toggle and click on Save. Once you will click on Save, it will show you a success message that configuration has been saved. Then you have the class of the product, and you have the class of the product images class, of main products class, of the main product images. These are the pre-filled details, which you do not have to change or make any modifications in the same next tab. We have Product Badge Rule, and you will click on it. You have to create your own rules. Think how you want to display the stickers on your store in case of any festive stickers, in case of sales stickers, in case of any new launch products. So let's create one. The first is the Active button. You have to click on Active button to activate this sticker. Next is the rule name, which you have to give any of the rule. Next, where you want to display your sticker in case I wanted to display it in all pages. You have to select the first option. You have to select the date from when the stickers will start to be visible on your store. The next tab is of configuration of the same here. You can choose the size of the sticker, how it is going to be displayed on your product image. You can choose a position. You can choose the height and width of the sticker. You can also check the preview of the same. The opacity option is given to display how much you want the opacity of your sticker to be displayed on your product. So from here, you can upload a new image. Also, we have given an option to select the predefined stickers. As you can see here, when you will click on Select Stickers, you will have a list of the same. Also, you can search, and like you want to search for the Christmas. So just enter the name. You just have to enter the exact label of the sticker so that it will be easy for you to find. Suppose I have chosen this, and it will find you here. This is how it is being displayed on your store. Now, I want to change the position. You can choose a position from here, and it will keep showing you the preview of the sticker, how it is looking on your product image. You can click on Change Preview. You can upload here. You have an option to upload any sticker from your local in case you want a specific one. You can choose as fixed and choose a fixed height width for every sticker. Also, you can make it in a percentage of the height could be 10, the width, and 10, the height is 20. Accordingly, you can make the changes when you will click on the Change Preview. It will redirect you to the local to choose a sticker there. You have to choose the preview, like the background image, and then on that, you can show the preview of your sticker. Next, you are having the condition, in what condition, and how that sticker being displayed. Select the rule for the sticker first. The sticker will be visible on what condition it is going to be displayed on the top visited product. Is it going to visible on a top sale product for the best seller? For new product, on the basis of price, greater than, on the basis of price, smaller than. So the last two options depend upon the price, and below that, you can enter the price accordingly. The rule will be applied to your products. So first, I have chosen on the basis of price greater than the minimum price of your product could be 10. This is if any product having a greater than 10 price, then the sticker will be displayed, else not. So I'm applying it to the all product in case you want any of your product to be excluded from this sticker. So you can click it, yes, and you can enter here the product name, and it will start auto-searching the product name by the entered keyword. You can select the inventory status in case you want all your stock products only could have the sticker on your store. So you can select the all in stock or out of stock for all products as per your requirement. You can select the minimum quantity in case of products having only 5 product on your store. Then also this sticker should be visible for them. So you can accordingly enter the quantity, click on Save so that a rule can be created once it is created. You can find it in the listing once it is created. You can edit by clicking on the Edit button. You can make the changes in any page on the configuration on the condition. And after making any condition, you have to click on Save so that the changes could be seen in your screen. Next tab we are having of the stickers that I have previewed you to that. These are the uploaded predefined stickers, which you will find in the module in case you want to upload any new sticker. So you can click on Add New button. You will have a form to upload a new. You have to enter the sticker name. You have to enter the tag. You have to upload sticker image. You have to click on Add File. You will click on Add File. It will redirect to the local, choose the image and click on Save so that a new sticker could be uploaded. And you can find the stickers. You can search it by here. Entering the name, click on Search. Now see the uploaded image with that name of the sticker is being added. Now you can create any other rule, and this new sticker, uploaded sticker, should be displaying that predefined, so you can create a new rule to check the same. Enter the date. On the configuration, select sticker. Here you can select the sticker. You can reduce the height or width. You can change the position. You can change the opacity, which should be between, from 0.1 to 1.0. So making it 0.9 now, click on Condition. Select the method category, Floats. Exclude. Yes. Choose any product or else not leave it blank. Since we have already taken one float product in earlier rule, now click on Save. Once you have made the required details, you have to click on Save so that a rule could be created as you can. See, uploaded image rule is being created. Now let's see how it is visible on your product. Go on the front end and you will find these images here. As you can see, the second rule is working fine. The first rule was created on the new product, so just go on the new product tab. In case we have a product on this page, you will have a sticker that we have uploaded. As you can see on the category page, the same should work on the product page as well. On the cart page as well. Let's find how it is going to look in your order detail page. So just complete all the details of registration. Place an order. Once the order is placed, order detail. How it is going to be displayed in the order details page, back end as well. Once the order detail page is open, you have to open the detail. Now, so this is the order has been placed without any issue of that product where we have uploaded a sticker. So this is how the product sticker works on the PrestaShop store. It helps you to show a banner or as a sticker on your products for our sale, for a festive season, for a new launch products. Thank you.